Yeah, so we have the backend ready. The first the design in Figma, then the backend, then the mobile app, and now and the circuit is done, the PCB. Now we're in contact with the manufacturers of the PCB, and I need to sort out the components that are gonna be placed in the card, right? The PCB. So they are asking. This is for the prototype, so I need to establish 7 of them. We're gonna create 5, and the margin of error on components needed to the for the manufacturers are we're gonna give a margin of 2 components, so it's gonna be an order for 7 components, but these components are mostly sold under minimal quantity. So for example, some have a minimum order quantity order of 100. Some can be 1 or in multiples of 5 or 10. So another of 50. So it depends on the component, the manufacturer, and the source. But what I'm doing right now is keeping it at the minimum quantity order that we can send them, because they're gonna receive in some components are gonna be like they're gonna be like 90 of more components that they need. So I think they will not take into consideration this for the other order. This is for the prototype, so I'm gonna be testing all of these. Let me show you the actual circuit. One sec. So this is the actual circuit, right? We had to modify it like a lot of times. It was a lot of forward and back with the back and forward with the manufacturer. So we finally have it ready. This is how it's gonna be the end result, and everything should be working as expected in the for the schema design, but I need to test it, right? Have it physically over here. So the manufacturers of the PCBs are in Mexico, so this is a huge advantage for me on side of communication and just delivery time and shipments. And the components are gonna be from all these companies in Asia, right? So I need to sort this out for the minimum quantity for this 5 prototypes, so I think they already have the cards made, so they are waiting for the components to be assembled in the card, and then they're gonna send it to me. And and then I can start testing everything with the backend, the configuration. I'm gonna download upload the firmware and just test everything of the APIs, the configurations of the PCB. That's gonna be tricky. Honestly, I don't think, like in any case in engineering, something's gonna be broken. So I'm expecting to have to get my hands dirty over there in that stage. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So let me just show you how I'm doing this. So right now, for example, this is in multiplied of 50, so this is no worries. There's only one, the resistance, I need like 8, and it's a multiplier of 7, so I need to take into account that, but where are they? The values, they don't have the values, okay. But for example, over here we can check this one is C98220. This one are 8. So for example, this is 100, the minimal quantity ordered, so no worries there. Everything's cool, and I'm gonna do this for each of these, and there are some that are 2, so I need to make sure this one is one quantity. Actually, this should be, what the heck? How do I look at? Alright, I just download this extension of Visual Studio Code for CSV files, but I should be able to place this column as this, like the main column, so there should be now I need to fix this. Tools, hide comments, tools, train transparent, apply changes to file. Oh shit. What's that? Oh, add a column, add a row. Here, has header. There we go. Alright. And okay, let's continue. This thing, man. Alright. So it's gonna be, yeah, this one was 1, right? So I'm gonna make 10 of these. For this one, I think they are in order, so maybe we can speed this thing up. Oh fuck, there's no value for this. C4 7 5. What the heck? C47. Why is not highlighting this? Alright, let's move to this one. There it is. Why is not picking that up? Okay. The quantity are 2, so I need 14. So the multiplier is 10. I'm gonna do 20. For this one. quantity is 1, so I get the 10. Boring stuff right here. Multiplier quantity is what? Oh. Value designator. Footprint. What? Okay, quantity 1. So I'm gonna do 10. I rather go slow. For example, this is 4. So over here I have the multiplier, and it's gonna be 25. Oh no, it's 30. It's 28, I need 28, so 30. And this one. So this is the tedious part. I'm developing this project, and I told this amazing guy that hired me to build all this project, that I want to see it through, right? So I'm doing everything. This is more like management, because it's a lot of communication and a lot of quotes. I send a lot of quotes and just see pricing and everything, just to get the best pricing for the same products. But yeah, this is like an extra that I shouldn't be doing, but I want this thing done through, and yeah, so no problems over there. So 2, it's gonna be 14. Got the minimum quantity is 50. Show me where you are. They're in order actually, right? So it's gonna be 1, 1, 1, 1. Then we arrive to the resistors. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Alright, so gonna do 10 here. 10. Fuck. This is 100, so 10. Then the resistance. Where's over here? Then 3, 4. So it's this one is 3. So it's gonna be oh, it's 100. God damn. 100. 100. Fuck. 31. Oh yeah. They are actually in order because this is the boom. How stupid of me. Yeah, so 2, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 2s and 4 1s. So 15, 100. Fuck, this is 1, 1, 1, 1, and we're gonna order 100 instead of 1. That's crazy. But this is how it goes. on this is 20. Okay, I think it's 2. Yeah, 2. And then 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then 2. 1 2 3. Oh, this actually should be, this is 8. And 2. Alright, so 35. 35 is 1. And then what's that? Oh yeah, 35 is 1. Then 36 is 2. 14. Yeah, okay. Then 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then 2, so this is 15. Okay, and this will be 5. Then 10. Oh, this is 20. 46 and 47. What the fuck? I have more there. What the fuck? This one I already saw. SS14. Here. C4406. Shit. Alright, let's search over here. Word sourcing. Alright, let's search apart. So this will be over here. Three 1 6. Oh fuck. What? Alright, they're different, but weird. Okay. What is that? Oh no. What the hell is this? Fuck. Really? This is in the boom. This is not in the boom, so what the hell? Oh, it's not from. Okay, let's see. This is manufacturer. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for now. Actually, but if this is wrong, what else is wrong? Oh, fuck. Why the fuck they have this? Did I click in the wrong? What the fuck is going on? Okay, yeah, that's okay. And that's it. Actually, we were discussing about this. It will be better for the manufacturer to have the reels, but for the price point, I don't think all of the components are gonna be able, because I mean, we have some that are only 8 components, and I don't think they will be able to chip the reel with only 8. So in this side, there's gonna be a manual assembly line, and for the next order, that is gonna be the big one. Once I have everything tested and everything's going as I predicted, everything's working as expected, then we can order the reels, because now it makes sense, right? These are large quantities. So right now it's gonna be cut tape, and everyone's cut tape, right? Why there are some? I just want to make sure. Yeah. All right. let's create the code, the shipping address. It's gonna be Mexico. Can I write more? Or? Oh, okay. PO number, what's that? Post office number? But purchase order. That's okay. So maybe RQF. So it's been inquiring. They're gonna send me an email letting me know that I can order these parts or I can't. And if I can't, it's gonna be a pain in the ass because I'm gonna need to have different suppliers for each component. It's rare that just one or contact some source supplier in of these components from Asia, but it's gonna be expensive, expensive. Just paying them a fee, but I mean, I don't think it will be a problem. Hopefully this gives me a green light and we'll be able to just send these components to the manufacturers. And that's it. I'm gonna just now move on to the other project that I have, that is software development for 3PL system that we are creating, more like sticking all the APIs and make a e-commerce 3PL monorepo with the backend API that joins with email and Shopify, and we have an inventory app, an admin app, and orders. And I have a meeting. I just received a message in 30 minutes, so probably won't be creating this context switch right now because the thing that I struggle most of handling multiple projects are context switch, like it's really stressing honestly. So actually I'm gonna have a call with some of the software development that I'm doing, because the painful thing is not the actual work, but instead having all these different projects in your mind and just compartmentalize, like, okay, this and you need to remember for each project where you are at and what's the state of all the code and all the things. Right now is not that difficult because we have everything ready, and I'm just in this tedious part of this project, for example. But in other projects that I'm developing, is like you have software that every use case is different for each project, so it's like really difficult to keep a clear mind on each project once you switch. And it's where I'm at with these guys is like an hourly rate salary, so it's weird. It's like I don't know, I feel like micromanage, and it's just so much stress because you don't want to put that many hours on, like for example, reading code of the PR requests, or studying a little bit on a subject, because each case we use different use cases. So a lot of the time is like researching and just come up with the best solution for something that you haven't done before. And it's like yeah, it's, I don't know, yeah, you don't, I personally don't feel fine, because it's really like other developers also know where you're working at and how long it's taking you. So it's like this thing where all the developers are competing to place the least hours to make them look good in the inside company with the peers. But I don't. It's very beneficial. I think for them, but for us developers is not a good experience. The good side is that you place as many hours as you want, and you have deadlines, and that's on you. But for example, I did some hours that were like not the normal hours in one of the projects, and they were like, oh come on, you made like a lot of hours in here. So I'm like, okay, so you're taking into consideration this. So it's like pretty, yeah, micromanage, it's like they see everything that you do per hour, per minute. Actually, you can just place 0.8 hours. So but it's flexible, and that's a good thing when you have many projects. But right now I'm thinking about just narrowing down in the projects. I don't want to context switch a lot, because it's I'm gonna end up without hair, So I'm gonna have a talk with them, and just maybe, I don't know if their vision is just to incorporate more like a standard time for the developers, or just continue this way forever. I don't know, but that's gonna be my question on tomorrow. I have a meeting with them. Yeah, and right now, what hour is it? I need to respond to this. Sure. See you in 25 minutes. All right. Yeah, that's it. I really like this. This is like a blog, or just a diary of what I was working on the 1st of August of 2024. I like this, and I'm gonna continue uploading this kind of videos. And actually, I paid for Loom Business, which allows you to just have the video for longer than 5 minutes, I think, or 10 or 15. But I really like it. It's pretty straightforward. It just works. Actually, before opening Loom, I was using OBS, but you need so many configurations, and it's not as straightforward. And then I remember that I have this subscription of the business plan of Loom. So I just open Loom and start recording. So recommended 100%. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have the meeting. I don't know if I should record everything, we haven't talked about NDAs with this project, but maybe I can record a little bit and just have an overall idea and just leave out any information. But actually, I just give out the boom and the kind of and the things that I'm using. But yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna have the call with him, and I will maybe record it. See you then.